Oh boy, look at this out here, man. Beautiful. One thing I gotta say, man, is that a child will never let you lie to them, man. Because if you promise them something, they'll bug the hell out of you until you fulfill that promise. So, gotta take my little brothers out, man. Gotta have them play in the snow a little bit, then get back to my work. What do I have for that in here? Have this. Gonna use as a snow sled. And what else? Need to get back in the house and get the pump for that. Yep. I don't have it in here. Oh, well, this is beautiful, man. Check this view. You ready? Yeah. Okay. What do we do?
We just play snow.
You just play on the snow?
Yeah.
Michael, what do we do? Huh? Sit down, sit on this. What's his name? Dodo. Dodo. Huh?
I'm the one who lives across the street.
Yeah, I know. How are you?
Good.
Are you having fun in the snow?
Uh-huh.
Good. You just lost a teeth.
Can I bring it over there?
Yes, you can.
Everybody, let's go to the big hill. Jordan, to the big hill.
Adi. What's that? What you doing? Woo! Okay. Watch out. How beautiful is this, man? Can you see the snow? As a black guy always look good in the snow, man. It's like, no. And it's always nice to bring them out.
Yeah. This is too much energy to be inside one house, you know? Wait, hold on, like, look at
I guess that's a childhood I never had, man. Growing up in Sierra Leone, the closest thing to snow that I see, what is it? Nothing. But it's fun, man. Hanging out here with the kids, seeing them having this great time. I think it's always good. So. Oh, watch out!
9, 8,
7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
That was cool.
good ride.
All right, thank you guys so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome
Let's
to
go
the
in
road.
there. Say bye to your friends. Bye.
Yeah,
All right,
good
thanks
to
so
meet
much,
you.
huh? All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Run, let's go. I got your glove. Let's go in.